In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to use distraction-free full screen editor in WordPress. Crafting your blog posts is a creative process that requires attention to details and concentration. Many writers feel distracted by the on-screen elements of the WordPress writing interface, like buttons, columns, and toolbars, among other things. WordPress comes with a built-in distraction-free mode for writing. It hides all the unnecessary elements and gives you a full-screen canvas to write content. To access it, in your dashboard, go to your posts. I'm going to edit this post. Then here you have this option to enter the distraction-free writing mode. Click on it, and the full screen editor has a minimalist layout. It has a menu bar on the top of the screen with the text formatting options. And then you can exit out of it very easily. This is how you can use distraction-free full screen editor in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.